Ready to win all your cybersecurity interviews? My ultimate cybersecurity prep step-by-step book series will make you unstoppable this time around. Stop playing around and start mastering the field with my ultimate step-by-step scenario-based book on cybersecurity, which will teach you how to use the required STAR techniques: situation, task, action, and result techniques to answer the interview questions. This isn't for people that are looking for shortcuts, but those that are ready to go all the way in and come out on top always. I am Professor Temi. I've been in tech for 30 years and been helping people build their cybersecurity career. Thousands of professionals from clueless, non-tech background to making lucrative salary in less than 90 days. I've been recognized by the US Congress, US Senate, United Nations, states and counties for what I do. And I do bring over $1 million to our community every year. The book series, we have 5 book series that I will introduce you to. The first one is on data breach and data and anything about data, incident response. The second one is on regulatory framework, all different frameworks. The third one is on policy and procedure. The fourth one is on technical controls, how to set it up, how to implement them. And the fourth one is on emerging technologies, blockchain, supply chain, Internet of Things, and so on. Grab your copy right now. Use the link below. Also, schedule a call with me if you want to break into tech. www.myituniversity.com. And also, I'll be guiding you through your lifetime in your career.